So I've got the 3D connected to a carabiner, hooked into my harness. Carabiner is closed and locked. So to rig it for rappel, and remember, it doesn't matter if we go bite up or bite down. One of the key things to remember when you're rappelling over an edge is to make sure that your hardware, that the anchor's preloaded and that your hardware clears the edge once you get ready to commit and go over. So by reaching over the edge and grabbing a bite of rope, and where my thumb is becomes the bite that I'm going to be bringing up into the device. Making sure that it's rigged properly. And I like to take it and tie it completely off because I use both hands to get up over the edge. So I want to safety it off, get my half hitch safety in, cinch it down, and pull it tight. Got my belay line. Ready on belay? Okay, on rappel. Okay, so once you're off over the edge, one of the things to keep in mind is that right now the system is locked off and I'm not going anywhere. But if I was going to go down and do a pick-off, I'd want to take my pick-off strap or my Aztec or whatever it is and connect it into the bottom of the descent device. I don't want to attach it into my harness. I actually want to attach it into my descent device for control purposes and for loading purposes. Okay, so in order to descend, the first thing I'm going to do is take my safety half hitch off. And like any other descent device, I want to make sure I always keep the tail of the rope in my hand. From here, all it is a matter of how many horns I have engaged in order to descend. Ready? Okay, going down. So if I needed to stop and do my pick off or do work here, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead, and if it was a pick off situation, I'm actually going to rig this for a 2-person load or for a heavy load right away because I'm picking up a second person's load, second person's body weight. So I would lock it off. My pick-off strap would be attached into the base of the descent device. And from here I could reach up, hook up my patient, tension up the system, and now his weight is actually hanging independent of mine. I would then just take it and unlock, and in that maximum friction position be very controllable descent for 2 of us. So for me to just finish up the rappel, I'm going to take it out of that maximum friction position and just finish up. Off rappel.